Crack your knuckles and get dirty looks? Here's what's actually happening. That pop isn't your bones grinding, it's just gas bubbles in your joint fluid collapsing. When you stretch or twist your joints, the pressure in your synovial fluid changes, and a bubble suddenly forms and bursts. Studies show this isn't harmful and doesn't cause arthritis. It's just trapped gas escaping, satisfying and harmless. So next time someone says it's bad for you, tell them it's just physics. Hit that subscribe and thumbs up if you learned something new.